University. We must be responsible for our own progress and advancement, and this is how our team's approach comes in. Our Vice Chancellor for Planning and Development, Professor Bones Balgos, has pointed as sports, as was presented in the audiovisual, this was made by some of you. T for technological advancement, O for operational efficiency, R for relevant research, C for community orientation, and H for human resource development. Now, to T, technological advancement. It must be integrated, interconnected, harmonized, and interoperable ICT systems and infrastructure across all UP campuses to support UP's thrust of academic and operational excellence following the UP system-wide strategy. Computerization will be the main priority of our team. We foresee a fully computerized Wi-Fi in UP Manila. This will provide the much-needed databases for our researchers and you, our students. This will also serve as our global communication to centers of excellence. Computerization is our main priority and will mark our first 100 days with UP Manila completely computerized. We finally have the first official UP Manila Twitter account, and it's at UP Manila Online. For now, announcements and pressing news will be forced through that account, but we will be updating our website as well. We're also working on partnerships with telecom companies, and we will certainly let everyone know when we have set that up. Now we go to the next point, operational efficiency. Enterprise resource programs, systems to integrate, document, digitization, tracking, archiving, accounting, inventory, and medical records. With infrastructure in place, we can provide quick, efficient, better service to our clientele, patients, and of course, you, the academic community. Relevant research. I want you all to have this mindset as well. A shift to translational research. I want you to think of imaginative, applied research and innovative patterns that will help bolster capabilities of UP Manila and encourage industry partners to invest in us. Examples, of course, are Lagundi and Sambong, which I was told was earning already into the billion. So we get royalties from this. And of course, the award-winning chiefs of the National Telehealth Center. An important asset in our march to modernity is our research capability reposed in our outstanding scientists, faculty, university researchers, and of course you, the students. Our modern and continually updated research capabilities must provide world-class output, keeping close collaboration with top-ranked universities and research centers abroad, not mentioning our pabalik-balik scientists. C for community orientation, with improved linkage with the OHs, the SWD, the ILG, and other government and non-government agencies that serve the needs of the people. I would like to commend the UP system for sending a team that responded to the needs of our northern Mindanao kababayan who were victims of Typhoon Sendong. Our medical, public health, and forensic specialists in UP Manila rendered their respective expertise. The medical team was able to conduct 1,440 medical consultations. Our public health and forensic experts conducted 3 seminars on topics that are relevant to a ravaged community. In fact, the medical team will be going back to Iligan this weekend. Definitely, UP will continue to serve the public with or without disasters. Finally, H for human resource development. Okay, manpower. Provide health insurance and other benefits to all students, faculty and employees by creation of our own UP Health Maintenance Organization. UP faculty will be beefed up, we expect, by some 500 PhDs within the next 5 years through our expanded faculty modernization program. Faculty, employee benefits, and innovative compensation packages shall make for happier and hopefully more productive employees. We shall pursue plans to come up with health maintenance organizations that will provide our employees and students an affordable and available health plan. Such HMO may even be marketed to the UP system and finally to the public at large. Significantly, UP Manila's prized properties are you. Indeed, its gifted students, expert faculty, and hard-working employees. You, our future graduates, must come out with adequate, appropriate tools that will prepare you for careers in a highly competitive world, what we call the global community. Hence, we will improve the student curricula through audits and graduate programs that will serve the needs of industry partners and increase student and alumni employment opportunities. Additionally, we shall have more developmental educational programs and scholarships, making use of return service agreements, among other programs. With the leadership of the new UP President, Roberto Pascual, UP plans to revise the STFAP and provide better financial packages to the underprivileged graduate students of UP. Harnessing unique UP Manila health science, much vaunted expertise, and sustainable researches, both basic and applied, will result in increased international publications as well as utility to our partner industries, let alone improve international ranking that prospective international students and faculty look for, all on top of better service to our underprivileged patients. Let us get rid of the UP para sa sarili lamang and strengthen our alumni initiatives. Encourage the culture of giving back to our alma mater and the future generations. We will show our alumni and industry partners that UP Manila is worth investing in. Instead of going abroad, we must figure out ways to bring in investors to keep up the brightest and best graduates in the country to remain with their families. My team and I will lead a democratic, participative, and transparent governance. We are open to listen to your ideas, everyone's ideas. We really want to hear from you. That is why I like to come up with the roundtable meetup with you at least twice every semester. I want to know how you are, what your concerns are, but most importantly, I want to hear your bright solutions and ideas. Let's call this status update. I know how we are all on Facebook, so instead of just shouting out online what you feel or want to do, let's talk about it head to head, person to person. Finally, nationally relevant and globally competitive, UP Manila will only happen if we put our hearts and minds together. Our vision must be bright and clear. Our transparent governance will motivate our students, faculty, and staff to give their best. Our plans will rally the UP Manila campus to a bright green future, harnessing our man-made and natural resources while preserving the environment for future generations. Our ideas will sprout and grow as our country tries to catch up with the rest of the 21st century world. With divine guidance, may God bless our holy country and our one UP. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayo lahat.